Hi everyone, I'm Jules and today I will be making a simple 3-ingredient ice cream. Here we go. First, pour 480 grams of cold all-purpose cream into a mixing bowl. Okay, now use an electric mixer and whip your cold cream to stiff peaks. It is best to use a medium to low speed. Usually this will take between 1 or 2 minutes. So make sure not to overheat it, otherwise it will ruin the ice cream. Okay, so these are stiff peaks. When the cream is beaten enough that it becomes kind of like stiff, it doesn't drop easily. As you can see, even though I'm shaking it, it doesn't seem to drop, or it's very hard to drop. These are stiff peaks. So once you get this, turn off your electric mixer immediately. Now, pour 200 ml of sweetened condensed milk. As well as 60 grams of cocoa powder. Once you've done pouring your ingredients, beat them on the lowest speed that's available in your electric mixer and mix until all of the cocoa powder is incorporated. When you're mixing, make sure to use a spoon to get any remaining powder or cream that's at the side to make sure that everything is mixed well. Now the ingredients are completely mixed, so you can turn off your electric mixer. Now that you're done mixing, take some wrap, it can be aluminum foil or plastic wrap, and cover your bowl entirely. I prefer to use aluminum foil because it's easier to handle than plastic wrap, because plastic wrap tends to stick to each other. So now you can put away your mixer and cover your bowl. So first place it on top and then wrap it around fully. Make sure to tuck it in. And now use a rubber band to seal it. Okay. Once it is sealed, put your batter into your freezer for 5 to 6 hours. See you in 6 hours. It's now been 6 hours, so I'll remove the ice cream from my freezer. Time for the big reveal. Remove the band. And voila! Your chocolate ice cream, ready to be served. And now, of course, you have to garnish it with your favorite toppings. Preferably, I like to use fresh fruits like strawberries. I got these at a sale. And there you go. A fresh bowl of chocolate ice cream, garnished with strawberries. It's fresh, not too sweet, and very chocolatey. Nice. The advantages of using this ice cream recipe is that first, it is fresh, secondly, it's economical, and most importantly, you can control the ingredients that are used. This is especially important for those that have health issues, as you can lower the sweetness of the ice cream recipe. This big tub of ice cream has more than enough for 20 servings, so it can last a family of 4 for about a week. I spent about $6 to $6.50 to make this tub, which means I spent about 30 cents per serving. I encourage y'all to use this recipe, and you can tweak it to suit your own preferences. Thank you all for watching my videos. Like and subscribe for more. Hit the bell icon to be notified as to when I post something new. You can also comment down below any suggestions for future videos. And as always, stay safe and have fun cooking. Goodbye!